Electricity is an energy that every family must use. In modern society, nothing can be done without electricity. However, the high monthly electricity bill makes people feel a headache. Is there a way to make your electricity bill drop suddenly with the same amount of electricity? Yes, there is! Exclamation mark. This energy-saving method won't need the grid, won't need the space, there's no maintenance required. And the cost is not high. If you want to learn more about this energy-saving technology method, please click the link below the video. This method is renewable energy. Renewable energy is not expensive. Done the right way, you'll have it up and running for mere pennies. Never at the 20K price tags you hear about on TV. And you can see the savings piling up overnight. You might be going all the way up to 65% off your power bill from the very first month. And I know you'll probably say, "Yeah, heard that before." And your BS senses are going off. But what I'm talking about, it's not a hushed-up secret or a breakthrough conspiracy cloaked device made by some silenced anonymous brilliant mind. It's something simple that thousands of people use, but inefficiently and expensively. So stick with me for the next few minutes and you'll find out everything you need to know how to do it right, keeping that hard-earned cash in your pocket starting today. An MIT study from back in 2012. It was brilliant. A weird-looking small-scale 3D solar array that they've tested with amazing results. Instead of going for the usual side-by-side layout, this system was going upwards, stacking the panels one on top of the other. But how could the sun waves reach the second or even the third layer of cells? It was easy. Put them in zigzag and you still get 100% sun exposure on just 2% of the traditional system layout. The trick was in the angle. Please see the actual working status of this energy-saving technology product below. You won't need the grid. In a survival scenario, when the power is down, or a nationwide blackout sends us back into the Stone Age, rendering 21st century technology obsolete, you'll be safe and sound in your own cozy home, still enjoying a good movie with your loved ones, cuddled up on the couch eating popcorn like it's a Friday night. You won't need the space. This energy-saving method only requires 5% of the surface of the traditional solar panel system. All because of its ingenious vertical design. A lot of my friends have placed it on balconies, so you don't even need a backyard. Using less space means that it's easier to protect from looters, and also easier to keep it a secret from a nosy neighbor. Plus, there's no maintenance required. Just put the system in a sunny spot for a few hours a day for a full battery charge. Or you can just leave it in one place, forgetting about it for a whole year. Probably the only time you'll think about it will be once a month, when the mailman swings by to give you an even lighter electricity bill, filled with best wishes from your power company. And the easy-to-use, no maintenance of this energy-saving system can provide you with another huge advantage. It gives you crucial time to do more important things in a crisis. While others will be busy dumpster diving for food, your miniature power plant takes care of itself. You'll have more time to protect your family, to learn a valuable skill you can barter with, or to be the Rick Grimes of your community. If you want to learn more about this energy-saving technology method, please click the link below the video.